Hey there, hope you all are doing great. I'm back with a new video, and today we are going to learn how to remove red eyes. Probably you'll find when you click your photos at night with a mobile phone, then you can find there are a lot of red eye glitches. Like when you use the mobile flashlight or any other kind of flashlight, then you can, mostly of people we find that mobile cameras capture our photos with red eyes, and it really ruined our photos. As you can find this couple photo is really great. They are just smiling. What that fat camera effect just really ruined this amazing picture. So this is we are going to learn how to remove red eyes from photos using Photoshop. For that we don't need to do anything hard, or we don't need to learn or read any extra thing, because these can be removed in few seconds. So next time when you click your great photos and you delete that photos because of that red eye effect, then you just need to open Adobe Photoshop, and what you need to do is I'm going to explain after this logo animation. Welcome to PIXIPACE. I am a professor of graphics. If you just want to remove red eye effect, then you can simply right click on this 8th tool, or that is spot healing brush tool, and simply click red eye tool. Then you will find the icon of this, that is eye plus sign. Simply make a rectangle on that red eye area. It will automatically detect the red eyes and move that and fill that with a black color. Look how easy it is. You don't need to do anything. Simply make a rectangle on red eyes and it will do its job. And there you can find two options, that is people size and darken amount. You don't need to play with that. And if you wanna want more dark eyes, then you can this dark amount and people size. I don't think you need to play with this tool. Or if you want to increase or decrease the people size, then you can increase or decrease by just clicking on this icon and play with this slider. So it's really easy. You just need to select the tool and make a rectangle on eyes. It will automatically detect the red eyes and it will automatically remove the red eye. So look how easy it is. So next time when you click great photos, and don't delete them due to this red eye effect. This can be removed easily. You already checked in this tutorial. So I hope you like this video and learn something from this video. I believe next time you are not going to delete your great photos due to this red eye effect. So if you really like or if you learn something from this video, then please share and subscribe PIXIPACE YouTube channel, and see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Share your work on my Instagram channels, on my Instagram page, so that I can also look at that and make the tutorials according to that. If you need any kind of special help regarding graphics, then please let me know down below. And thank you so much for watching this video. See you in next video.